Hello, welcome to the Concealtex. Today I'm going to show you how to give your local AI assistant a name using pre-prompts in LM Studio. Here is LM Studio. You can search and discover many large language models. LM Studio is very handy because it will tell you what models can be comfortably run on your computer. You can download many local large language models for your personal use and even train your own. I will put a link in the description for LM Studio. I have the Dolphin Mixtral 2.57B 28GB large language model. Even though it isn't the largest, the information that it knows and the datasets it was trained on have loads of useful information. This is the chat feature. This allows you to load a model and talk to it via text responses. So I will now ask it, what is your name? Usually a large language model will not remember its name because the token data isn't present when you create another chat with the model. As you can see, it states that it doesn't have a name. Please focus your attention to the pre-system prompt section on the right side of the screen. This section allows you to import prompts that you want the language model to know before you ask it a question. In this case, I will give it a name to remember. Concealtex AI. And as you can see, it knows its name. This is a fun and productive use of prompt engineering to allow a large language model to remember its given name. Please note, however, that the more tokens you give the large language model to process will increase the response time. Here's a little tidbit of information for you about AI engineering. A token is a piece of information and a fundamental unit of data that is processed by algorithms like our local language models. They represent numbers, letters, symbols, and more, and they play quite the key role in the machine learning industry. Thank you for watching this video and educating yourself on how eyes work and how to use them. I would appreciate it if you subscribed, as I post other content that you may like, such as lofi, puzzles, horror, engineering, and other productive concepts to educate and entertain. So enough said, have a productive day and a restful night. Goodbye!